Musamseleku told Makwela that Makwela was rushing things. Imagine now Makwela was the one who was in pressure. Makwela now is desperate to get married to Musamseleku because they have got a child together. Musamseleku, why he can't to stop at the first time to have a child with him? Musamseleku ruined Makwela's life. We don't want to lie. That man, he is selfish sometimes because now Makwela is desperate, guys. Those things is happening on television. Makwela told Makwela that why are you rushing things? Your husband want to fix the relationship with his wives, Mayeni and Mangwabe. If Mayeni and Mangwabe, they don't allow Makwela to be on Muzumbe, what's going to be happen? Guys, I don't understand Musamsele what he did to Makwela. And Makwela, if she can't move on with her life and find a job and to do something about her life, because there is no need to expect that they are going to stay together, Makwela to be on Muzumbe with Musamseleko. We want to see season 10, what's going on. If Makwela can't be in Muzumbe on season 10, Makwela have to do something with her life because Musamseleku took advantage. He knows that when he gave Makwela a child, Makwela is going to be desperate, like maybe Makwela was the one who was begging him at the first time to get married. And now he is taking advantage of the child. Makwela can ask Musamseleku for money to feed the child everything. You understand? So Makwela have to tell her husband sometimes that Musamseleku, there is nothing to tolerate Mangwabe and Makwela, because those people, they came after and he bring them with force, especially Mangwabe. Musamseleku bring Mangwabe, his wives, they don't want Mangwabe. Why he can't do the same thing to Makwela? Musamseleku, I don't think that he loves Makwela. He want to have kids with Makwela outside the marriage. Understand it? Like what he said to Mayeni. I remember Musamseleku had a conversation with Mayeni on season 2. He says, when I can have kids outside, how are you going to feel? So Mayeni denied Musamseleku's decision. It's how Musamseleku want to do to Makwela. Musamseleku want to have kids with Makwela, but not to get married like Makwela. She is the real wife. I don't think that he is more in love with Makwela. Musamseleku ruined Makwela's life, guys. And people are laughing at Makwela everywhere. That girl, she doesn't have peace. I don't want to lie. Makwela doesn't have peace. Other wives are better because they start that program. They are already in the marriage. What about Makwela? Now it's about 2 years or 3 years. Makwela is not in Muzumbe. She is staying at her parents' home. What about her parents are going to say about Makwela? I don't think that there is an issue about Musamseleku to delay because of his wives. And if he can't force things, he is still begging Mayeni and Mangwabe. Makwela is not coming in Muzumbe. I don't want to lie. Musamseleku have to show he is the head of the house. You understand? And now he is telling Makwela that Makwela is rushing things. Imagine, guys, Makwela now is the one who is rushing things, not him. Not him. Why Makwela didn't ask him Musamseleku, why you have a child with this girl? First, you know that your wives, they don't agree with the decision you made. You understand? Musamseleku want to take advantage both because he knows that when you have got a child first with Makwela, maybe they are going to accept her because they are already have a child. Makwela and Mangwabe are not kids. They know what they are doing. They know that Musamseleku want to trap them with a child. At other side, he looks like he want to have kids only with Makwela, not to marry. Because if he was serious, guys, it very hurts Makwela's situation. Musamseleku buy houses, guys, for other wives. Musamseleku buy houses for other wives. Makwela doesn't have a house. How she is going to feel? I remember Msamseleku when he bring Makumalo in Muzumbe. He bring Makumalo to build houses for Mayeni and Mangwabe. At that time, Mayeni and Mangwabe, they are not staying with Msamseleku. But when Mangwabe, she came in Muzumbe, her house was already be there. What about Makwela, guys?